Well, there is a small cap stock which I feel is extremely promising. What is the name of the stock? It is Bharat Seats Limited. And why do I feel it is promising? We are going to discuss later in this video. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about its business, what it does, what product it sells. Then we'll discuss the fundamental numbers, how strong they are, and then we'll see the shareholding pattern, and after that we'll move towards the price action. So this is going to be a complete analysis of this stock. So let me take you to the screen, but just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stock based on your own risk appetite, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Bharat Seats Limited and this is the screener page. Let me just show you the official website first. This is the official website and here you can see a wide range of products, okay, and you'll get all the details here. I'll share this link in the description section. You can go through it so that you can get a good idea. Okay, now coming to the key highlights about this stock. It is incorporated in the year 1986. It manufactures complete seating system and interior components for the automotive and surface transport. Okay, now coming to the key points. BSL, Bharat Seats Limited, is a joint venture of Suzuki Motor Corporation Japan and Maruti Suzuki India. Okay, now coming to the leading suppliers, leading supplier to Maruti Suzuki company is one of the two suppliers of car seats for Maruti Suzuki India Limited (MSIL), okay, and continues to be the sole supplier of seat sets for several key models. Okay, it is also the sole supplier of two-wheeler seats to Suzuki Motorcycles India Private Limited. Okay, so these are clearly promising fundamental things about this company. Okay, now coming to the holding and associate, Maruti Suzuki India Limited and Suzuki Motor Corporation holds a combined equity stake of 29.6% of BSL. That means almost 30%. Also, the company is an associate listed company of NDR Auto Components Limited. Okay. Now, technical collaboration. Company has technical collaboration with Toyo Seats Corporation Limited Japan for seats and Hayashi Tempu for Thailand. Okay, for its carpets. Okay. Now, product profile. Okay, produces seats for four-wheeler, two-wheeler and railways. Okay, clearly all of these things are very promising because these things are always manufactured, and Maruti Suzuki is the leading car seller in India. Okay, and although Suzuki India Limited is not the leading two-wheeler seller, but still it has a lot of market share. Okay, and railways, obviously it's definitely important. Now it has NVH products, carpets, okay, body seating parts, metal range. Okay, all these things are there. Now if we scroll down little bit, we can see about the manufacturing facilities. Okay, and now client concentration risk. Okay, Maruti Suzuki Group and Maruti Suzuki India together account for 88% of its total revenue. Okay, definitely it is a concentrated thing, but also it can be seen as a good thing. So please take your risk in a calculated manner when you are dealing with this company. Okay, because majority of its business, as you can see, almost 88% is only for one company. Okay, although in to four-wheeler segment it is a leading seller, okay, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, but still that is considered as a risk. Okay, and that is one small negative point about this company that I can see. Now let us go to the fundamental numbers. Current price of this stock is 110. Okay, market cap is 690 crores, so a small cap company, and reserves it has is almost 182 crore. It has a debt of 151 crore. Debt to equity is less than 1. It is not excellent, but it's good. Okay, 3 years average sales growth 16.38 is a good number. 3 years average profit growth 40.11. Earning per share growth is also 40.11. Interest coverage ratio is more than 5, which is good. Current ratio is 0.8. This is slightly on the lower side, but it's fine. Okay, if it would have been more than 1 or 1.2, then it would have been better. Okay, operating profit margin 5.85. So this might be looking low if you compare it with the other companies in this list, but we have to see historically. If it has been that much, then that is fine. Okay, industry P is 27.02 and company P is 21.11. So definitely it is undervalued. So people who like to invest in undervalued stock, this is definitely a good opportunity for you. Now profit and loss. So we'll focus on last, let's say 4 years. Okay, 4 years profit and loss. Okay, sales in 2022 was 818 crore. In March 2023 it went up to 1051. Then in March 2024 1067. In March 2025 1289, almost 1300 crore. Operating profit 32, 46, 61, 75. Clearly there is growth. Operating profit margin 4%, 4%, and now 6% and 6% in the last 2 years. And as I was saying, historically it has been that much only. Okay, the operating profit margin, so it's fine, not a problem. Now, if we see the earning per share, there is clear sign of growth, 1.9 to 3.43, and if you go back little bit earlier, it was 0.77. Okay, then 3.43 to 3.99, almost 4, then 5.21. Clearly there is sign of growth. Okay, now again coming to the shareholding pattern. So we can see till now a majority of the stake is being held by the promoter, so that is a good thing. And you know, one good thing about this company here, you can see that in December 2024 they were holding 74.59, now they are holding 74.66. the promoter has increased the stake, although it's a small margin, because the maximum allowed stake is 75% after listing for the promoter, so obviously it can be a big number. Okay, but still the sign is on the positive side, because they are increasing their stake in this small cap company, so definitely they have lot of expectation from this company, so keep that in mind. And DI is holding is 0.11. it has been that much for a very long time, 0.11%. maybe in future FIs also might try to jump into this stock, we do not know. But as of now, considering it is a small cap company, the business, the numbers are looking good to me. Okay, now if we see the pros and cons by screener, we can see in the pro side it is mentioned that company has delivered good profit growth of 21% CAGR over last 5 years. Very good, because it shows consistency, and a small cap showing consistency is a very good thing. Okay, healthy dividend payout. Okay, then company might be capitalizing interest cost. This is on the negative side. Debtor days have increased from 45.11 to 55.77. So these are two cons, okay, by screener. So overall what I would say is that, considering it is a small cap company, and considering the fact that you should invest a minimum amount in small cap stock, this is definitely worth considering just from the fundamentals part. But obviously fundamentals is not enough. Now we have to take a look at the price action as well. So I am going to open BSL. Okay, no, this is some other company, Bharat Seats. Yes, this is the company. Okay, so if I go to the weekly time frame, the picture is not clear because we have chart from limited number of days. But if I go to the daily time frame, and we can see here there was a high of around 86 at this level. Then we can see back to back big green candles. Okay, we'll also check the volume. We can see big volume bars, 18.88%. then this is not there. Then here again 14.12%. so clearly the stock is actually starting to show some strong signs, which is a good thing. It is starting to show strength, and also we are getting to see big volume bars. Okay, these big volume bars have started coming in, which is a good thing. Now as we have limited data, so let's see if we have the data 50 days EMA. And yes, we have the data 50 days EMA, and along with that, if I put 10 EMA with 30 EMA, 30 WMA, then we can see there has been sign of strength, and the stock is trying to go up from this level. Okay, now let us put the momentum indicators and see what it tells us. Okay, so here is the momentum indicators, and what I see is that the stock is starting to give a turnaround from this level. Okay, which I think is a very good, which is good. Okay, because we can see strength here, then small consolidation here, and now the stock is trying to stay above this 110 level, which is a good thing. Okay, so definitely I would say that if you are interested in investing in a small cap company, okay, with a limited capital, and take if you want to take little bit of risk, then definitely you should consider this company. I would definitely personally do that, and you should also consider this company. But please remember to do the full analysis yourself, do your own research, dig deeper, because this is a small cap company, so you should remember that there is higher risk always associated with small cap companies. Okay, because these are not yet fully established. in future it might be, but keeping that in mind, you have to invest limited amount. So that was all about Bharat Seats Limited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this company, if this is good or not, and also if you know any other information about this company, okay, which we are not aware of. So definitely you can share in the comment section so that everyone will know about it. Thank you for watching. If you like the analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me one-to-one directly on Discord. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.